In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue on Chrome where it says this site can't provide a secure connection. Just as an example, here in front of you should be what you're seeing on your end and is the Chrome error. Now, to temporarily fix this issue, what we need to do is go into the top right and click the three dots. Then from here, scroll down and hit Settings. On the left, select Privacy and Security, and then towards the bottom, hit Security. Under the Safe Browsing selection, what you need to do is click No Protection, which turns off safe browsing. So click Turn Off. And then at the bottom of this page, under Advanced, make sure Use Secure DNS is turned on. And then under the drop down, you want to click Open DNS. Once you've done both of these, close your browser. Open your browser again, and hopefully the fix has been rectified. Now, it's very important that as soon as you have done what you need to do on whatever website is causing the issue, that you turn the settings back to how they were before. So ensure that safe browsing is turned back on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.